Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of an object in Photoshop. So the first thing you want to do is come over to this tool here, which is the object selection tool. Now click the layer you want to do it on. I'm going to click this one. Now if you let it load for a second, it will suddenly select different objects, so it will separate them so you can select individual ones. So click the one you want to change the color of, so I'll say this settee here. Now what you want to do is once I've selected it, come down to here on the bottom right and go to color, solid color here. Now here you can change the color of it. Right now it looks terrible, but don't worry, we'll fix it. I'm going to say I want it this color. Okay, so now it looks terrible, but what you want to do, come over to here to the blending options, go down to color, and boom, there you have it. We've changed the color of the sofa here. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thanks for watching.